My name is Kenda, and I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. Going into the HeartStories Girls Trip. It was my daughter's 20th birthday, and I was hesitant on what to do, how to make it special. And I came across Alison and Crystal's blog on talking about HeartStories Girls Trip. And I listened to the words that Crystal said about take the opportunity, that we deserve it, and that God is looking out for us. And in that moment, I clicked the button to go on this trip, and it was absolutely amazing. I'm so glad that I did. I felt very safe and very comfortable going in a group as opposed to taking my daughter to Mexico just her and I on our own. I met fabulous women.
We love it here.
Oh,
It's been a wonderful trip.
If you're thinking about doing it, do it. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity that you have to just do it.